dr500 TV cabinet installation video. Firstly, we need to open the rear cover plate. This box is an accessory package. The white adhesive strips on both sides of the middle cabinet cannot be removed. The first step of installation is to adjust the height of the cabinet first. Rotate the bottom and adjust the screw. Adjust the height of the four corners of the three cabinets to keep them level. Place the middle cabinet board backwards before splicing. This position requires lifting the cabinet up a bit. Be sure to check if the splicing is flush. Press the wooden bolts into the cabinet. Both sides of the cabinet have. These are all the accessories in the accessory package. Now let's take the accessories for the splicing cabinet. Fix the splicing cabinet. Insert the power cables from both cabinets into the rear. Now we need to merge the three rear tailgate covers together. Connect the rear tail bar to the push rod motor. Remove the pin on the right side. Remove the connecting column. Cover the rear tail bar. Facing the push rod motor, reinsert the pillar and pin. Start installing the rear cable now. The line on the right is the line for raising the screen on the ground. This is the accessory required for installing the floor-raising screen. This is for better shooting. These two need to pass through the cabinet during the installation process. This is the infrared line from the floor-raising screen, corresponding to this accessory in the picture. This is the infrared head. The direction of the buckle is facing inward. It needs to be inserted in this position. Now insert the extension cable for the screen. It needs to be inserted in this position. This is the power supply for the floor-raising screen. It needs to be inserted in this position. This is the power supply for the push rod motor. It needs to be inserted in this position. Insert two more wide power cables into the power strip. Now it is necessary to cut off the power supply of the floor-raising screen and unplug the power cord. Insert it behind the cabinet. Now this is the main power cord of the cabinet. Check if the indicator light on this side is on. If it doesn't light up, we'll turn it on. Check it if it is normal operation. Install batteries on the remote control. Two No-Qi batteries need to be installed. Press the middle button to open the cabinet. This is something that can be used normally, waiting for it to open maximum. You can place the floor raising screen here now. This is a reserved power card of the floor raising screen. Insert it into the power supply of floor raising screen. After powering on, this indicator light must be on. If it doesn't light up, it means that the switch isn't turned on. This gear needs to be adjusted to the middle. Finally, let's make sure that the infrared in our accessory package is close to the ground-mounted infrared. Stick it outside or inside the cabinet, but they must be close to each other. The glue here is what makes the two of them stick together. Now close the TV cabinet. Close to the bottom and then open again. Close it again to see if it works properly. After no problem, you can install the laser TV now. Let's confirm the front and rear directions of the laser TV first. The buckle needs to be installed in front of the laser TV. Now flip over the laser TV. This laser TV is located in the front. Install accessories for this view. We have provided 3 different types of screws here. First, select the screws that are the same as the holes in the projector. Now these two are correctly matched with our projector. Only then the buckle can be installed. Lock him up. If and bar is the right combination, we can use the buckle with the largest hole position. You don't need to use small ones anymore. Make sure to check if the lock is secure. Now we need to open the TV cabinet. Use the remote control to fully control the travel. Press the up button to bring it out. Press the up button again after reaching the desired position. Now we need to unscrew the top nut. Slightly loosen the left and right sides. Now use a hex wrench to loosen the middle screw. After that, this can be moved. Put on the projector. Be careful, the buckle under the projector must be secured to the iron plate. This is the principle of the buckle. Push the projector inward. Need to ensure the surface of the projector cannot exceed the length of the support plate. Ensure that the height of the laser TV does not exceed the height of the middle support plate. Tighten the previously loosened screws. Power on the laser TV. Then we remove the power cord. Then according to the power quality of the laser TV, insert the head socket to adjust the length of this power cord. This buckle can be adjusted to its position freely. It can be placed here, this side, and this side. The purpose is to prevent the line from being too long. Now we plug in the power. We need to check the power cord at the back. Check if there are many coming out. They need to be pressed down. Prevent the power cord from being crushed by the machine's back and forth movement. After the projector screen is adjusted, we will use a hex wrench to lock the lower screws. Now it's all installed. Finally, use CPTS to tidy up the power supply, and then just lock the back cover plate. The main power cord can be threaded out at this position. After that, you can close the cabinet.